Heads up, for whatever the hell it's worth. I just woke up here in lovely scenic Padre City for a late night session and found this at the top of my YouTube feed. The UAD Explore Bundle free. Really, I've got all the plugins I need, and I'm not much of a guy to leap at this sort of thing anymore, but it's UAD. And I thought I'd pass it along to you. Here it is. Your bundle includes UA610 tube preamp and EQ collection. That's 610A and 610B. I've already got that. I use it. It's good. The UA1176, I don't have that yet. Teletronix LA2A, have that. Use it all the time. Vibe Analog Machines Essentials. I don't think I have that. Although this, I think I've got this one up here. And maybe one other. But I'm curious about that. Plate Reverb, don't have that. Showtime 64 tube amp, have that. And have used it in the past. It's decent. It's not the greatest thing ever, but it's pretty good. Century Tube Channel Strip, don't have that. PolyMAX Synth, don't have that. Not much of a synth guy, but you never know. Luna, DAW. Seen mixed reviews about it. I think it's worth checking out. I think it's worth tossing out a heads up. I went ahead and logged in, and let me move my completely unnecessary mugshot out of the way here. And yeah, it's finished downloading. There it is. UA Connect. There it is. I'm going to install it, and I'll probably do a video on these tape machine emulators. See how they behave with regards to aliasing. So there it is. Just a quick one to give you the heads up in the unlikely event that you didn't get the heads up from a much bigger channel than this one. All right, time for me to get back to work here, and I'll be back with another video probably in the next few hours. Hope this video finds you well from lovely scenic Padre City, South Korea. Winds of clarity and all that, over and out.